Hi everyone! Today I'm going to make a very refreshing corn salad, actually inspired by a salad stack we had at a restaurant. I'm going to mimic the look, not necessarily the ingredients actually. It was made of shrimp, crab, and mango plus avocado. Let me show you my ingredients. I have 1 year of corn, fresh corn. If you don't have it, you can use canned corn. And we have 1 lime. Just need to cut 2 pieces. That. And just a piece of red bell pepper. That. Dice it, similar size like corn. Okay, so pepper. And for the corn, just need to remove the husk. And here's a fresh, beautiful corn. Get rid of the cares. And now we're going to cut off the kernels. So there's a few ways to cut off the kernels. You can just cut it this way, or you cut in half, like that. And now you can let them stand like this. Now remove the kernels. Now I got off all the kernels and into a bowl. Now onto the avocado. Cut carefully. Wow, it's beautiful. Perfect. Twist. Move. And now we just mash it into a paste. We also need the soybeans. If you don't have it, you can use peas, and also pine nuts. I'm going to roast in the pan. And let's boil our vegetables. Now the water is boiling. Let's add our corn. Red bell pepper. And some soybeans. Since our corn is a hero, right? So let this boil about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, let's take out our vegetables and into ice water to shock it. Let me just strain it. There we go. Now I'm going to roast or toast the pine nuts. Just a handful. A bit more. It's a medium low heat. Ooh. Toast about 5 minutes till they are lightly brown. After a few minutes, you can see our pine nuts are toasted. Now we're ready to assemble a salad. Now let's dress our salad. Very simple. Just add a little bit salt and black pepper, olive oil. Using this fusion, mix it. And can squeeze some lime juice here. And also a little bit of avocado. It's a simple salad, shall we call veggie cocktail. Okay, and now we top with pine nuts. And garnish with a piece of lime. A veggie cocktail. Cheers.
Cheers.
Are you gonna drink it?
I'm gonna eat it first.
Yeah.
Ah, so delicious.
Crunchy,
I love the lime.
sweet, nutty from the pine nuts. If you like, you cannot find the pine nuts, you can use peanuts or any other nuts you like.
That's delicious.
So refreshing. Please try to make it, the ingredients very simple. And if you like this video, please give us thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.